And His Excellency the President, John Dramani Mahama, only the Speaker of Parliament, Mahama Backben, Ebusia Omo, the Asida Kesiye, Otumfuo Asantehene. Ojo cause, wala Pia on cause, so they share wa hanu, ala ade ache, nana nyankoda. Omo the Asida man, efa adoye chinchirin charge say, Otumfuo aye Ghana. Mema on chirimu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Mesro say ni demo. Oba like video no that my subscribe button and na click the notification icon for latest update. Na bachelor wadwen da mame ewo comment section. Mesro so bas for no share video for so enya bi ahwe. Now if you be kai say your creative field page no edin no Penyah Block Media. Link no at the comment section ya pin 80 but link ni so nebra Facebook na ebe follow ya niam be the family no together. Obekaya about a month ago and a pop up on the internet. That's a Ghana. Parliament House, no. Omu are closing it down. Kakra. I say Omu echo break. As a break in the Omu tell muchepa. Omu che. Omu ko break. Omu tell muchepa. Now in the course of the break, anyone say Speaker of Parliament. Mana Backben. Only some other people be ako payment share him fee. I'll come when you say Omu kwasire Otumfuo Omu Kente. Because we say renovate Parliament House on omu eyansa kire bi ewo ho eti Otumfuo enu omu Kente
me o Mahama so ba Mahama no nsai bebre possible obi obehwe bi ebe say Mahama o adane kasemu a Mahama for kasemu table eni nkonua bibia foforo na die ba ko aka Abrana Mahama bedroom chairman wotena so no se yehwe na chisabon se e o Kente mienu bi ba ko ha eno na se aka asa aye dada kakra na e pese esesam na yentitiye no yenim ne se sa Kente no so Otumfuo ene de bedroom parliament this Otumfuo ne de sa Kente no bedroom parliament intini fa ye pe se Kente ne esesam Abraham Bo e papa amani enti ene right honorable speaker baya o sa de sa amani no abebo ne papa se Kenta o de besa parliament e chire Ghana mamre a ye tenase bia ye hunu Kente eno Kente no ene ye besa ye bia sisi asesa Mahama bidwam Kente no so no adaro ma ye besa ye besa tie be bona mani na nie kamera si se ye bona mani die na die essence on fa foforo a efe enti eno en America se le boba ko e company ma enti enne ye ba wie ya
se nyame nnu no pa bodo de beta mochi titru ne ba odi monimu a odi kai no pa bonko a ne ura so de beta mochi
Momanya yansane ahoden ni etimi aye adwuma de
sure rase no ne be matimanya yansane ahoden adwuma ye de ahye monsamu getima ye
azu Kente de enane kire amami apebi ade abesi anaisesi a
sure this ready amode ba no wati wasum onye nto enane kire ya wami apebi ne de aba kama amode asesana ma ho ya kama
abranse he wa ha Papa anyway, and yet, Monfred, where was Monfred? Monfred, the other in Dino, a woman referee, and no been some fun from and then it's here. Now, was nobody was said the very Jew who said a bay and son would be near you.
So,
and your fun pussies here.
John, looking for sale. My friend said, the show, as I said, yeah, Hiano, when you're able to many more dear, your madam, and then it's when we are here, now, your baby's son, and son of movie piano.
That them what they for my hobby. Which we call on the job, Moses, yet there was a bed at Tabocham and I come.
John, you were also, so what they see their mamma, so we go on my hobby. Nemo no tamochi ni seso no ye de tamochi man ye kama na betimi de amod ma bia ono so obeye de tamochi
so na me da woman so papa
jo tumfo so woman papa
so ema ho Otumfuo je Penyah ma Otumfuo ema omu Kente a enye Kente kuma It was encouraged him enra and then you who is a parliament as a resume after break no. Now parliament a resume and then was hey as I chat about honomo because maybe a speaker of parliament etino the wings no left wing and the right wing you know you the kente cloth and a design honomo fe ama afi enkonwa na on say first enkonwa sa ye no ho brownish bisa na omo receive omo remove ye no and omo the black one bi abesi simo oh yes na omo asiesie honomo ama eho ayefe. Emma, this, renovation it cost Ghana 2.26 million euros. 1 euro earning 15 cedis. And the 2.26 million euros, no, say 2 million euro krana and get 30 million Ghana cedis. It is at the way renovation it cost Ghana over 33 million Ghana cedis. 330 billion. Just a nkonya no ne, carpet ne, kente light na e wo that. This is the old look. And this is the new look. And you want to say ade as a say kente no, any nkonya tuntum no asa. There hasn't been any changes there, but this small changes we no. It cost Ghana 2.26 million euros. But again, what's na yeka? And benefits say nipa ya ade a osayi. Enti man Bagben ope kente no Otumfuo na yase ene kwasere lese Otumfuo amane bi na wode aye ama efede na ewo se obedase eti eno na parliament e resume ye na no ana speaker of parliament ogina eho no mo ene ode aseda chenchire nchepa aseda choboy ode ma opem so na na se etu.
Honorable members, I'm sure you have observed a facelift in the chamber that you are now occupying. You can see there's a facelift, and I want to thank the clerk and our supporting staff for implementing this decision of the board. And you have also observed that just behind me, our traditional attire, our own hand-woven cloths are distinguished, and you can see there have been also a renewal of those majestic cloths. I think you have read that I led a delegation, including the second Deputy Speaker and some members of staff, to at least share our condolences with the King of Ashanti, Otumfuo Asantehene II, for the loss of our mother, the Queen Mother. You will have read that we did make a request, because this was the gracious presentation of His Majesty the King, when the Parliament started in January 1993. They had lost some favor, and so we appealed to him if he could graciously come and renew them, and he immediately accepted and directed that it be done. The next day, to our surprise, the team was down here in Accra, and you can see a complete, fresh renewal of those majestic cultural display of our talents. I want to take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts and the gracious support of His Excellency Otumfuo Asantehene II. He has done tremendously well, and he will continue to be the father of all. And we know his passion in multi-party democracy. He has been a guide to all of us, particularly somebody like me as a Speaker of the 8th and the 9th Parliament of the 4th Republic of Ghana. Honorable members, I want just to draw your attention to the names and meaning of what you have behind me. I myself is very challenged, and so if my pronunciation offends your ears, kindly forgive me, because I'm of a different ethnic group. But these Kente cloths are of two types. One is called Ejunsi Ejunso. Ejunsi Ejunso is a type of high quality hand-woven Ghanaian Kente cloth that translates to designs upon designs, or wisdom upon wisdom. The second is called Fatia Fata Nkrumah. That definitely is clear to all of you, even including me. It's a Ghanaian Kente cloth pattern whose name translates to Fatia is a fitting wife for Nkrumah. In fact, those of us who are old enough used to hear it. It was created to honor the marriage of Ghana's first president. In fact, we should always start by saying first Prime Minister and first President, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and his Egyptian wife, Fatia Nkrumah. And this symbolizes the unity of Africa and the Arab world. In fact, that was one of the visible steps that Nkrumah took to try to unite the states in Africa by personally moving beyond the shores of Ghana to marry from Egypt. Honorable members, I think you will assist me, as I said, to thank His Royal Majesty for his gracious support to the House. I will, on your behalf, send a fitting thank you message to His Excellency. But let me add that the second Deputy Speaker has been so helpful in these matters. In fact, he has led me a number of times to pay homage to His Excellency, the King of Asante. And we've always had very fruitful discussions, and it's always been a source of strength and wisdom to some of us. Please kindly accept my thanks, my colleague, good brother, second Deputy Speaker, for what you are doing to us.
With the Speaker of Parliament, Anidinde Aban Bagben Ada Otumfuo now said to Nana Bo Diana Bo Mwase say Odi Kente a enye ba ko mienu miensa Kente awodu bebiri aba beboa afabriche Parliament House wo sene say mfuni a wohwe the way a Kente yi e de asisi Parliament House wo ama Parliament House wo fe a wo hwa wani aba a e sane wo down no o say no and the Aban Baben ade na wo ka no is true because ebusua enye obia ne betima yisade we now say to salute you ati amishra ebusuafo obi yade a yenka ne yenjai hwe yana tem didie na doso me ye sure say ahemfo asabiu sebe impreduasa omaka no omoso ebeto aso no mayi bibidi aboa Mahama ban enye only Mahama ban no but then Ghana at large na me sure wate
Otumfuo Asantehene the second. Yaton sa friend El Suriname for AD almost 50 years anniversary. Na mdi omeni to for mo say omahwem ehu say Otumfuo Asantehene the second. Ono no de ni monyam ebetai dwumadi n'echi a dwumadi no enum ebebenyam. What you say? Aha. Ye try mo say oye biggest e wo Ghana ha na monte ase no. He's been recognized elsewhere. Fene fekeke say ye be recognize ye die mu. Na ye kra ye ben no. What you say? You ben no. I was saying yes, you promote here there. England for no. Omo no mo promote your mo there who say President King Charles Queen Elizabeth a bego. Enye Ghana for, enye Togo for, enye America for the promote you. England for na the promote you omo there no. What did America na say? Nti ye ka ne sa no Otumfuo so aha me di say no so di nimunyam e be kwa kotai dwumedie n'echi e ma dwumedie no aye kese. Oti kokoso e bo odin a e bu emu ase. Yeah, the man no is the biggest. Suriname now go. Wiase mu nyina. Amoto mu ni hwe no. Ote kokoso na ode ne nimunyam ebetai dwumedi n'echi a ebekofa. Asante your man. Watch something.
Na kadako ye be dazore na Otumfuo standing for president. Hey, anything go we dey ka 7 million votes straight to. Chale, hey. Otumfuo ye dey na Otumfuo so be president. Na so dey 7 million votes straight. When the campaign in Kaunti, Nanantro no more be Cadia Bakupen of Betty. What the uncle and uncle say? Say, what to about Mamia? They betia Santamia Figane. I want I got. And this woman was only single votes. And baby was only single vote to Asantehene. Yeah! So our statement, they can hear Asantehene. And there are a lot of accounts on my breath to say, okay, more Western region. Ghana and Crow, you know, more resources. Women so crow, the development are binding few Western for. Now, Eastern for part of my mobile baby. Diamonds in from Ukro's development. And when I got with their community, say, yeah, there, Ghana, you tune for say, they president. What do you in your party just with a movement and I said, what do all announce you can say for president? 10 million votes straight. Every day this is good. Oh my Jimmy, they say Ghana no more doing any year, and you are to abana if you was a Sayanka, China best sign, Singapore best sign, there's so many Ghana independent job. Well, and a Korea Ethiopia, who could be more Ethiopia, and from baby no, and was in London. You Ghana reality. You think that Ghana don't embrace our party, no matter more. Now Otumfuo the maximum power so the Ghana in our so cramping. The influence no ko this Ghana no the abroad World Bank no ma say deep. Now Otumfuo abase the president Jana share. You think can campaign promise no in Kenya one pay. Me come traffic base wo wiem. Aircraft traffic base wo wiem. India for you about someone's on which you're about. Share. I said, my can I some control. Share. Would you would him? So, do what then Ghana said, may be president. 10 million votes straight. A woman like a history be recorded for the first time. MPP single one. NDC single one was Asantehene. They say, what do you go to for the campaign message in any just one pay? Say moto abane mamia. Unforget to say other regions what they will say. He should just state. Say moto abane mamia. Me ba meti Asantehene in a free Ghana mu. Yenya num se mu fo mu gu Asantehene. Oma bread northern region the penifo ne di yomu. Look at the number of penifo mo ye northerners oma be di Ghana so. Uncountable. But they are still treating them like animals. And I don't know big wakana go be me num se mu fo nyina num se no. Kwenti no mutu batakwa aka mem. The politicians do not respect them. When they are the politicians do not respect them. It think about support no more done on one side and the craig the bay. Come in Kagam, they say in Kamom so me NDC strongholds, even the voter region. Maybe I'm gonna baby because some the money how many NDC, you know. What was the NDC Kuamokra? Or better NDC. Voter region, yay! David. The NDC party attack, and this is young friends who cried more women. Because some of the things that NDC are you free to tepa still lack of development. That's what my NDC. But apart from that, all the other 15 regions, no, forget. Miss Otumfuo can campaign message in one pay. Me ba bete Asantehene every Ghana mu. Say 10 million. 10 million votes. Straight. Also Otumfuo, the voice said the voice no. Now microphone him. Yempe me say yempe kasa bibiri. Otumfuo one message. Na nanu mo message ya ebi anu bi crash you. Nana make record agebesi no. Share ye no mutafo no mo fa Asantehene ni agro. O se bebre no ye o ma ye ni Asantehene. Enti o munye sika krom du ko mu krom. No ma hu se kro no mo bembebo ebedi dwanye bie no. Finally ye see ye ba be te no nko afri Ghana no politicians so corrupt him. Just imagine. It will be the first time Ombeko voting region, Ombeko northern region, a single one. At the eye, system for you, Asantehene region control. What do you say? As my make a upe BC. So Otumfuo biaba. Office, I don't know if it's possible. I don't believe it's possible.
No, it's not like Otumfuo fraud. This Otumfuo.
Say Otumfuo way. Say Otumfuo fraud. And he may say, or make it just an announcement so be pre-president.
Okay.
We say 10 million votes straight. Campaign promise by Hope. Me ba metia Asantehene every Ghana mu.
Our head of state is going to pay a visit to Ghana on the 3rd and 4th of November, and the 4th of November he's going to spend in Kumasi, and he's looking forward to have also the honor to meet with Your Majesty, and his visit will be focused on the field of Tibet and on the field of academic cooperation, and it would be a big opportunity to deepen our cooperation even more between Ghana and Germany and between Kumasi and Germany.
Thank you. I look forward to seeing him. I need to talk to him and you also about the Swami magazine, where we have the artisans there.
Sure.
We want to set up, I think we've given them another land where they can develop that into another artisans shop, where all of them will be there.
Sure.
And I think that's a support that they need from Germany. I don't know. So I have it brief before he comes so we can talk about it.
Sure.
It's all for these artisanal mechanics. And in Kumasi, that is the hope of the artisanal mechanics, where they're very good. So they can be good engineers in Germany, you know, because they can design cars and do it. It's just that. So if I'm able to set it up here for them, then we can get German engineering to support them here.
Sure.
And trade them here. So I think that's my attention has been brought to that, and there's a German cooperation that is being sought for that. Maybe I'll get it clear and let you know, so before the president comes, and then we can discuss that also. You haven't been to the magazine yet. They haven't taken you. Next time when you come, I'll let you go there. A field of mechanics, 4 group, different types of vehicles that they repair. Mercedes-Benz, all the various cars, and they're all there grouped there. And you'll be surprised the ingenuity, the way they would repair these cars, and then even spare parts that we can get, they can just manufacture them somehow and fix it. And that is how, those are the people that I want us to cooperate so we can support. And it will create employment, help the economy and everything.
Sure.
Next time we do a tour there, I'll let you go. And then you have everybody taking you there to see them, meet them. So I'll note it down so when the president visits, we will discuss that also. But I'll let you have the what exactly it is that we want for you to look at it before he comes, and then we can talk about it.
Ubit machire wadwen amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.